This is Gabriel with ProX Live Performance Gear. Here we have one of the largest case that we sell, and they designed for all the production gear, churches, everybody that they have a microphone stands and they have gears to store. 60 MiG 25W. Let me show it to you. All heavy duty handles, heavy duty ball corners. You could store 25 microphone stands in this case, short or tall. On the side doors, you have enough storage to put all your equipment, gaff tapes, drill, and also you have 6 drawers over here that you could store your equipment that you need over here too. And also at the bottom, you could store your microphones. The bottom drawer is removable, and if you have a run bass, you could remove this drawer and you could store your basses on the lower section of this case. This case also equipped with the 5-inch casters, all locking, very high quality wheels. If you have any questions, please check our website, proxdirect.com.